Okay, besties, so I just ordered an acai bowl, so let's do a mukbang. I got pineapples, kiwi, strawberries, coconut, peanut butter, and granola. It randomly just got like busy as crap in the restaurant, so I gotta hurry up. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so it just slowed down a little bit, but at this point it's all melted. But one thing about me, I ain't wasting this $20 acai bowl. I don't care. I'm eating it. I'm about to get brain freeze. I'm so sad I'm almost already done with it. My plan was to eat it slowly throughout the morning, but no, it ended up sitting over in the corner for an hour and melting like this. So now, I gotta scarf it down before it's completely melted and it's warm on top of that. Alrighty, last bite for the win. Alright, I gotta go. Love y'all.